All right, guys, happy Wednesday. We have a new lesson today. So I'm hoping some of the materials you have, a pencil, a crayon, and then your packet, page 244 is what I'm hoping that you're gonna be turned to because we're gonna be using this and writing and coloring on it, okay? All right, so for our skill and our objective today, your goal is that you're gonna be able to count across tens by ones to 100 with and without objects. You have three skills that you're going to be doing. Number one is that you can count by tens. The second one is that you're going to be able to count also by ones, and that you're going to be able to count all the way to 100 with our activity today. So the first thing I want you to do is you're going to need your pencil, and I want you to just go ahead and start from the top, and I want you to go ahead and count just the top amount of circles, okay? So go ahead, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the end, so you have to make sure it's not big and gigantic and sloppy. I would like for you to write the number 10, just like I did. So make sure it doesn't go down below into the next row of circles. We just want it on the top. Then I want you to go ahead and take your crayon, whatever color you have, and I want you to color just that one circle, okay? So I know we have 10. And if you remember, I'm going to just flip over this paper real quick. What I've been trying to show you on the Reckon Rack is, again, this is just 1 10. So again, we have a whole set of 10 and it's just one line going across, okay? If I move it down, you guys can now see that I have 2 sets of 10, but we're going to count on, and we're going to count on the 10 way, okay? So 10 and 1, 11, 10 and 2, 12, 10 and 3, 13, 10 and 4, 14. Make sure you're counting along with me and pointing to yours, okay? 10 and 5, 15, 10 and 6, 16, 10 and 7, 17, 10 and 8, 18, 10 and 9, 19, 10 and 10. Remember, I now am going to write, 10 and 10 is 20. I'm going to write the number 20 down below. Now, I want you to again take your crayon and color in that last circle. And here is my question to you. How many circles have we colored in so far? All right, awesome. If you said 2, I want you to write the number 2 on this other side. This 2 is telling us that we have 2 sets of 10. So this is 2 10s. We know when we have 2 10s, it makes the total of 20. Okay, so now we're going to go down, and instead, oops, where did my crayon go? Instead of counting really quick, I would like for us just to color the last circle in this line. So go ahead and color your last circle. And I want you to think, how many circles are now colored? I hope you said 3. We're going to put 3 over here. And I know that we have 3 10s. 1 10, 2 10s with that going across. And now we have 3 10s. 3 10s is 30. So we're going to make the number 30. So what I'm hoping is that you guys are seeing a pattern. We can put the number 1 here if you want. That just means that we have 1 set of 10, but we're just counting up by ones every time. And then on this side, we're adding the 0 to create the 10s part of it, okay? So again, I want us to stop right here really quick, and I want us to count by 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 30. Your turn. Ready? 10, 20, 30. Awesome job. All right, I'm gonna go back, and I now want you to count the 10s way, okay? So we're gonna have 3 10s, 1, 31. 3 10s, 2, 32. 3 10s, 3, 33. 3 10s, 4, 34. 3 10s, 5, 35. 3 10s, 6, 36. 3 10s, 7, 37. 3 10s, 8, 38. 3 10s, 9, 39. And what comes after 39? 40. Good job, you guys. Go ahead and color in that last circle. Let's write the number 40 with our pencil. And again, I want you to look and I want you to see how many circles we've colored so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna come over here. Remember, our numbers over here represent how many tens we have. So we have 4 tens, and we know 4 tens is gonna make 40. All right, let's move my paper down. All right, from here, this time I just want us to count the regular way. So this is 40. Finger on the next dot. Here we go. Ready? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We're going to take our crayon, color that circle in. Again, I know I can see my pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write the number. Oops, wrote that sideways. Sorry, guys. I wrote 50. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles that are colored, and we're going to come over here. Oh, sideways again. And, yep, okay. And again, remember, these represent our groups of 10. So we have 5 groups of 10, and we know 5 groups of 10 makes 50. All right, here we go. We are going to count the say 10 way, okay? So 5 tens 1, 51. 5 tens 2, 52. 5 tens 3, 53. 5 tens 4, 54. 5 tens 5, 55. 5 tens 6, 56. 5 tens 7, 57. 5 tens 8, 58. 5 tens 9, 59. And what comes after 59? 60. Awesome job, you guys. Again, color in that last circle. I hope when you were counting, you realized that there was a switch. Our shaded 5 stopped and we went to just the white ones, and our now shaded ones are in the back. That's showing you that we've reached the halfway point to get to 100. Go ahead and count how many circles you've colored and write that over here. Remember, the number over here represents how many groups of 10 we have. So far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10. Remember, our 10s go straight across, so make sure you're counting those as well. All right, let's move it down, and let's go ahead and count the regular way. Ready? So we have 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Go ahead and write your number 70. And remember, color in your circle. Again, I can see I have 1 group of 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. I'm going to write the number 7 on that side for my 7 groups of 10. All right, let's continue counting the regular way, making sure that we're getting all of our numbers, okay? So we have 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So remember, we're going to write our 8 and the 0. And then again, you're going to color in, oops, that last circle. If you need to, count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have colored in 8 circles. I can also count going across to make sure. So I have 1 group of 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. Nice job, you guys. All right, here we go. Ready? We're going to count it the say 10 way. So we have 8 tens 1, 81. 8 tens 2, 82. 8 tens 3, 83. 8 tens 4, 84. 8 tens 5, 85. 8 tens 6, 86. 8 tens 7, 87. 8 tens 8, 88. 8 tens 9, 89. And then 90. Go ahead and write your number for 90. And make sure you color in that last set, or that last circle. We're gonna go ahead and write our 9. Oops. And it is our last and final row of 10. Here we go. Let's count the regular way. Ready? 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Go ahead and write the number 100. And I know that I have one group of 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s, 10 10s. I need to write that number 10. Now from here, remember, one of our skills is that you can count by 10s. You have your helper on the side, so we can point as we count by 10s. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome job, you guys. Today, the only sheet you have to do for your math is going to be flipped over on the other side, and it's going to be on page 245. You are really, again, practicing your counting by ones to 100. And again, you're going to say the number in each row out loud, and then you're going to color that circle purple, okay? So you are supposed to get timed. I would like you to try to do it in 7 minutes. If you have to do it a little bit longer, that is totally fine. But make sure you are touching. And again, when you get to the end of every row, you need to be at a tens number, which means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you are saying a different number on the end of these, then you need to make sure you're going back and you're starting over again and recounting, okay? All right, you guys, have a wonderful day, and I will see you on Thursday.